Everyone, we'll see how to swap two numbers in C. First we'll run and see. So if I take two numbers like 10, another number is 20. So here what I had entered two number 10 and 20. Before swap I got 10, 20, and after swap I got 20 and 10. Means value are exchanged between A and B. So how it has been done? So I'll explain you. See here, I had already written the program. So here, when you want to swap two numbers, we require one variable, that is third variable called temp. You can give any name. So I had scanned two numbers. So here A and B, and then I had printed using printf statement, and I had printed the value, and then here now main thing is here assignment. You have to use here, you have to hold the value of first one in some variable. So here what we had done, temp is equal to A. Okay, so here what I had done, so suppose in A I had took 10, and in B, in address B, see ampersand means address of that memory address. We had given name to the memory address as A and another as B. So in we took 1020 at A and B. Now what I had done, so I had assigned 10, so I had took 10 in A, I had assigned to temp. So here temp, so I had written here, and then what next, in next step what it is, next step is B. See, assignment always takes from left to right side. So equal to sign is assignment. Now in next statement, A is equal to B. Means what? Whatever is there in B will get assigned to A. Now temp is holding what? Temp is holding value of A. What was the value of A? 10. Okay. Now what was the value of B? B was 20. Previously it was 20. So what I had done, I had assigned whatever is there in B should get assigned to A. So now A, previously A was holding what? A was also holding 10. Okay, now B is holding 20. So I had assigned to A. Now A value, address at the A, that is memory address at the of A will get, the value of A will get changed. Okay, so now B is having 20, so now this is overwritten. Okay, so again I'll write. So now what it is, see, previously how it was 10, 20, and by using this statement, this is A, this is B. So in temp, 10 is holded in A, 10, and B, 20. So what I had done, in first statement, I had assigned A value to temp. So now temp is holding this. Now in second statement what I had done, in B value is assigned to A. Okay, so now A will be holding what? 20. And A will be holding 20, and now B is also having what? 20. But temp is having what? Temp is having A value because we had assigned it. Okay, so temp is having which value? Temp is having 10. Okay, so this is temp. Now after assigning A is 20 and B is also 20. Now next step is temp is equal to A. Now in third line here in assignment, in third line what it is, B is equal to temp. Now what is the value of temp? Temp value is what? 10. Now this temp value will get assigned to B. Now B value will get overwritten. What is the value of B? B it is 20. Now this will get overwritten and it will be written in, means it will be assigned. See, always assignment takes from left to right side. This is equal to operator. Because temp is holding what? 10, it will assign to B. So this is B. Now B will be holding here what? 10. Okay. So here it was 10. It is assigned to B. Now B will be holding what? 10. Means after swap we will get. So temp is like parcel. Okay. Sending the parcel from means here swap means exchange. Again we'll run and see. So here suppose I take 3 and next number as 4. Okay. So before swap we have 3 and 4, and after swap 4 and 3. So these all statements, basic information you might be knowing, printf, scanf. If you want to know, so you can go to my previous videos. So you learn. In that explanation is given about printf, scanf, and every C file should have. You have to give any name, but it should have extension as .c. So swap name I'll give. You have to give this, and extension should be compulsory. Any name you can give, but extension should be .c. So hope you understood this program. If you have any query, you can ask, and how to load this app, and all the functions I had explained in another program. So do watch that video if you had understood. If you're not, then you can ask. And last line also I'll explain you. See here, last line. See what we had done. We had took here 2 numbers, and then we had printed that. By using printf statement. Okay. So whatever we had took in A and B, so we had printed, okay, by printf statement, and then we had done assignment. We require third variable, so that is temp variable. So A value is assigned to B, B value is assigned to A, and next is temp value is assigned to B. And then after swap means after exchanging, we had printed the value of A and B by using printf statement. Hope you understood this. More subscribe to my channel if you want more updates. Thank you.